Good morning, respected fathers, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Jainam Gandhi from Standard 8C, standing here to say something about prayer. What is prayer and why do we do prayer? We do prayer to keep our mind calm. The prayer is the only way which connects us with God. If we are connected with the God will keep our mind calm, and what we are going to do further will be better. So I wish everyone to stand up and take their prayer position. Now.
Give me all in my lamp, keep it burning, burning, burning. Give me all in my lamp, I pray. Give me all in my lamp, keep it burning, burning, burning. Keep it burning till the break of day. Come on and sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Come on and sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King. Give me joy in my heart, keep me praising, praising, praising. Give me joy in my heart, I pray. Give me joy in my heart, keep me praising, praising, praising. Keep me praising till the break of day. Come on and sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Come on and sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King.
Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly and to move my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torchbearer of your wisdom.
Their position. Now I wish Ishani Aman to say the thought of the day.
Good morning,
Thank you.
everyone. I am Isani Aman from Standard 8C. Today's thought of the day is: be thankful for what you have. You will end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never ever have enough. The meaning is, God have given you goodness in your life in the form of friends, family, and the necessities of everyday life. So you should be thankful to God that He has given you everything in your life. Thank you.
Thank you, Ishani Aman, for the inspiring thought. Have a great day.